Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here at Sportline Atlanta. We're getting ready to install a brand new wheel and tire package on this Juniper. And a little bit of a pro tip here from Connor. Connor's the man here. He's gonna tell you, how do you get these factory Aero covers off without breaking them?
So these new Aero covers on the Junipers are a little trickier than past renditions of Aero covers from Tesla. So these have a little hole right here. You're gonna wanna stick your fingers in and very gently pry up and over, and you're going to want to do this one by one for all 5 blades. And then you're slowly going to want to work your way towards the middle, side by side, just little bits of tugs. As the center cap here is way stiffer than previous years of Teslas.
Okay gang, there you go. So pro tip, very carefully how to get the factory Aero covers off without breaking them. This is probably gonna be this customer's backup wheel and tire set as we get him set up with a brand new set of Sportline TSTs. All right everybody, thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you next time.